Hi everyone, this is Flora from Hong Kong, a faculty member of the scientific meeting this year. Accompanying the excitement, I'd like to invite you all to the 8th AAHRS Annual Scientific Meeting, which will be held in Hangzhou in June this year. The AAHRS meeting will be catering all attendees ranging from newbies to current hair restoration surgeons. The basic video course is designed to guide you through some basic techniques and setups, so you'll be able to get an impression on what hair restoration is about. Lectures will be mainly about a wide range of harvesting techniques and more, with updates in both surgical and non-surgical field. For the live surgery sessions, we will mainly focus on advanced surgical techniques for hair transplant, including non-shaven long hair FUE, beard extraction, eyelash transplant, eyebrow transplant, and the latest combo technique. We are looking forward to your participation, and let's explore Hangzhou together.